Hello and welcome. In our last video, we showed you a trip to Kutná Hora, a city that was once the silver capital of the Bohemian Kingdom and today is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And it's beautiful. But I think it's important to know how to get there. Traveling by car is easy, obviously. But what if you don't have one and don't intend to rent one? Don't worry, we'll show you our favorite way, by train from Prague main station. We hope this helps if you're planning to visit the city by public transport as well. To make our travel as smooth as possible, we always plan our trip in advance. We use the PID Lítačka app to check the time and buy tickets. PID is a public transport resource that primarily serves Prague and Central Bohemian region. I will leave a link to PID website and also a link to IDOS, which covers the entire Czech Republic, including long-distance routes. So let's plan the time and let's do it in the app. Open the app and tap Search. Enter here your departure point. In this case, the departure point is Prague main train station, so write Hlavní nádraží, which is the main train station in Czech language. This is the icon for trains, so tap this one. Then type your destination, which is Kutná Hora, Hlavní nádraží. It's already here. Now choose a specific departure time. Let's set it for tomorrow at 7 a.m. We don't need to leave earlier. Let's also look at the route settings filters, where we can customize our journey preferences. Let's limit the number of allowed transfers to 1. We have a video on our channel about Prague public transport, so check it out for more details. Actually, let's set the number of transfers back to 0. Now tap on Find Route. So here are the options. Let's choose this one, the train that is leaving Prague at 8 minutes past 8. There is important information that we will need later. Obviously the departure time, then the train number, length of journey, arrival time, and zones. Zone P for our departure point, and the Zone 7 for Kutná Hora. If you tap on the selected route option, the app will take you to the map and more details, such as the number of stops. These are notes that states that you can purchase and reserve a seat in the designated carriages, that you can buy refreshments on the train, the rules for transporting bicycles, etc. This information is also important. PID travel tickets and passes are valid on this train. To purchase a ticket, click on the Tickets section. Here is an important thing. Our journey from Prague to Kutná Hora goes partly through Prague zones and partly through suburban zones. So if you don't have a pass for Prague or a longer-term Prague ticket, you'll need to purchase a Prague ticket and a suburban ticket as well. So let's buy the tickets. From Prague's main train station, you only need the basic 30-minute Prague ticket. I won't show you the process for Prague tickets here. You can find that in our video about Prague public transport, published earlier this year, 2025. Now let's buy a suburban ticket to Kutná Hora. As you already know, Kutná Hora is in Zone 7. You can see Zone 7 here. One adult ticket costs 70 Czech korunas, and it's valid for 2.5 hours after activation. Reduced ticket for seniors and children costs 35 Czech korunas. So tap here on the Zone 7 option. Adjust the number of tickets. We need 2, so set that here. Now tap Buy Tickets and follow the payment instructions. Once the payment is complete, the tickets will appear in the app's wallet. We'll activate them about 1 minute before the train departs. We are now at the Prague main train station. In the video we mentioned before, you can find all about this station as well. We already bought our tickets last night in the app, but if you don't have the app, don't worry, you can buy tickets at the ticket office at the station. Just ask for a ticket to Kutná Hora, Hlavní nádraží. The ticket office is right here. You can also buy the designated seats here if the train offers them. Let's check now where our train will leave from. See? Our train is the one that leaves at 8:08. As you can see, it leaves from platform 4J.
R17 operated by Czech Republic to Tábor, Veselí nad Lužnicí and Gmín, departing
The train is arriving, so let's activate our tickets.
We will go backwards, but there is nothing else to do. We will go that way.
And here we are in Kutná Hora. The station itself isn't very impressive, but don't worry, we won't stay here for long. From the train station, we took bus number 801, which goes to the historical center. Kutná Hora's travel zone is Zone 7, and since our activated tickets already included this zone and the time hadn't expired yet, we didn't need to buy any extra ticket for the bus. But if you want to visit the famous Bone Church in Sedlec, or the Cathedral of the Assumption of Our Lady and Saint John the Baptist, then you should get off the bus at the stop Sedlec, Kostnica. Alternatively, you can walk there from the station. It's just about 15 minutes on foot to get there.
Kutná Hora, Sedlec, Kostnica.
We usually get off the bus either at the Stone House or by the Stone Fountain. From those stops, it's just a short walk to the main landmarks in the historical center.